Hello, everyone. This will be a short one, I guarantee. I've stressed this in teachings in the past. I'm inspired to stress it again. Get your concordance out, look up earthquake. You will find 7 times or more great earthquake. Now I'm going to read near the end of the 7, Revelation 16:17. And the 7th angel poured out his vial into the air, and there came a voice out of the temple of heaven from the throne saying, "It is done." And there were voices and thunders and lightnings, and there was a great earthquake, such as was not since men were upon the earth, so mighty an earthquake and so great earthquake. All right, now what does that mean? We just read Revelation, everybody's prophecy of Revelation. The fact of the matter is, man can now measure earthquakes, and the earthquake meter reads 0 to 10. Now, there have been 2 or 3 earthquakes over in the one's supervolcano in the Philippines or New Zealand area, north of Australia. Also, we're sitting on a supervolcano in Yellowstone Park. There are more than 2 supervolcanoes in the world. Point being, the largest recorded earthquake has been Chile, and one other place, I can't remember the name, Chile, of a 9.5 or a 9.6. Now, God has reserved an earthquake for himself that's greater than anything man has recorded. In other words, God's got an earthquake coming greater than a 9.6. Whether that's 9.8 or a 10, God's reserved an earthquake for himself. If you want to call it a spiritual earthquake of greater than 9.6 that affects the earth naturally. It's God's great earthquake. And that is my point in 3 minutes and 15 seconds. Get out your Concord. Oh, I'll leave you with this one. You need to put Earthmaster in your phone so you can search it through YouTube. Search for Earthmaster. It gives you daily readings and the activity of even volcanoes and earthquakes that are under the ocean. And there's a big one getting ready that they're predicting is going to let loose before the end of 2025 under the ocean. Earthquake volcano under the ocean could be as great as a 9.6 or greater. So, put Earthmaster on your phone, check in at least weekly, if not daily, because there's a great earthquake coming that belongs to the God of creation, Yahweh, El Father Elyon, the first Father, Most High, highest Elyon. Love you.